Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into an exciting tool that's revolutionizing the way we interact with AI models. It's called Ollama. Ollama is a powerful tool designed for developers, researchers, and anyone curious about experimenting with AI. Think of it as your personal playground for testing and deploying language models, all from your own machine. No complicated setups, no expensive cloud subscriptions, just pure, unfiltered access to AI capabilities. So, what exactly can Ollama do? Well, here's a sneak peek of its potential. Run pre-trained AI models locally, fine-tune models for specific tasks using tools like Unsloth, and integrate them into your apps, making your projects smarter and more efficient. Let's get started with installing Ollama and running your first model. In this video, I will use a Windows 11 operating system, but Ollama can also be installed on Mac or Linux. First, go to the Ollama homepage at ollama.com and click the Download button. On the next screen, select the Windows version. Wait for the download to complete. Now click on the Ollama executable to start the installation. Wait for the installation menu to appear. Click the Install button and wait for it to complete. A notification will appear at the bottom of your screen. Click on this notification to open a PowerShell prompt with your first command. Type in the command Ollama run llama 3.2 and wait for it to finish downloading the model. Next, ask your question, and it will give you a response. Type in /buy to exit. And that's it. You have Ollama installed and are ready to ask more questions. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.